Right guys, now the seventh problem here simply is given a diagram here, and I'm supposed to find x plus y plus z, right? So this guy, and the other guy. So what is the logic you follow here? Look at this. I know that this is a straight line or the linear pair, right? So let's go with this guy. I just divide the problem with this. Now it says that is 90 given to you and that is x. Now we know that this is a straight line, right? This is a straight line. And if I add these two angles basically on a straight line, we also call it a linear pair. It goes like x plus 90 has to be 180. So in that case, then x can be written as 180 minus 90. Then x is also 90. Cool, we got x as 90. Let's keep it here. X is 90. Alright, that's the first equation. Come back to this guy again. Now I can see that if this is 90 and this is y, I cannot find this guy. Alright, so come back to this. Here I can see that and this is 90, and that is z, right? And that again is a linear pair. So I can write this again here as 30, yes, and that is z, right? So that's a linear pair. So can I write again z plus 30 is 180? Exactly. So what is z? That is 180 minus 30. And z can also be written as 150. So we got this guy as 150. So that is 150. Right, cool. So what is the next thing I need to know? I need to know y. I don't know these two guys' relations, right? Okay. Though it is a straight line, I don't know this angle. And this again is y is unknown. So what can I do? I know another way of finding it out. If I know these two angles in the triangle, I can actually find this guy, because the sum of all these three guys is always 180. Very good. So let's see what happens here. I can write 30 plus 90 plus now this guy. Let me name this guy as u. Alright. So let's say you call it u. So what happens to this guy? I can write 30 plus 90 plus u is 180, because sum of all the angles in a triangle, some of the interior angles in a triangle is always 180. Alright. So that should be 120 plus u is 180. Then u is how much? 180 minus 120. That is 60. So this guy is 60. So we just got this guy to be 60. Now look at this. If that is the whole thing, I'm supposed to find x plus y plus z. But I don't know what the value of y is still, right? This guy is 60. So now first find out y. So if I draw this line here again, that is linear, right? So if this is 60 and this is y, can I use the same logic? That is 60 plus y is how much? Is 180 again, linear pair, right? So cool. So what is y? 190 minus 60, that is 120. That is y. So what am I supposed to find this problem? He said to find out x plus y plus z. How much is this? Who is x? X is 90. Good enough. Then what is y? Y is 120. And what is z? That is 60, right? Yeah, no, not that. This guy, 150. Right, that's 150. Now add these guys, you will always get 360. Yes, it is. Where these two guys should get 360. Cool. That's how it is. Come back to this guy. In this case, I need to find that is x plus y plus z and w. These are extra angles, right? So to find that again, can I follow the same logic? I can see here, right? This is again a straight line. So let me start working from here. That is a straight line, and that is 60, and that is z. So here I can write z plus 60 is 180, right? So what is z? That is 180 minus 60, which goes to be 120. So I got the first angle, that is z. Right, cool. Can you follow the similar logic here? Look at this. Again, this is linear, right? It's a straight line. 80 plus y should give you 120. So 80 plus y is 120. Alright, so can I find y here? That is 120 minus 80. So, sorry, this guy is, yeah, 180. Alright, so 180. So y is 180 minus 80 is 100. So we got the value of y is 100. Keep it in mind. Z was 120. This was 120. Alright. Come back again. Here again is a linear line, right? It's a linear pair. So I can write it like this. And that is x. And that is 120. So what happens if I add these two guys? Again, a linear pair. There is x plus 120 is 180 again. So what is x? That is 180 minus 120, which is 60. I got x also. X is 60. Right, cool. So let me finish the problem here. I need a space. So what happens in this case? What's the last thing? To find out W, I don't know this angle, but I know another relation that if at all I know this angle, and this angle, I can actually find this guy. Once I know this guy, and then I can find this W. So I know that sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral, or angles sum of a quadrilateral, is always 360. So I can write 60, the first angle, then I have 80, second angle, then I have 120, plus this guy I don't know. Alright, let me name it as U itself. Okay, plus U is 360. So add this guy, see what you get. That is 120, that is 260, that is 260, plus U is 360. Then I know that U is 360 minus 260, which makes it 100. So I got this guy to be 100. Very simple. Alright? Yep. If this is 100 and this is again a linear pair, right? So I can write this, that's W, and that is 100, and that makes what? That makes W plus 100 is 180. Then W would be 180 minus 100. Okay, that is 80. So I got the values X, Y, Z, and W. So I just need to add these guys and solve it. So let me use the space also. Was that the question is asking you to find X plus Y plus Z plus W, and X whose there is, okay, X is 60, right? So that is 60. And what is Y? Y is 100. And what is Z? That is 120. And W is here, that is 80. Exactly. What's the answer then? So that makes yeah, again it's 360. Very simple. So that's your answer. All right.